Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening guys, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make some bad Jamaican peanut punch. You understand me all the guys? Watch on the table over here so. Supligen, 2 mackeson. Guys, watch the video. Soon come back guys. I'll be a badness in the kitchen. Some bad Jamaican peanut punch guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna start off with my oats. Guys, when I come in Nicola's kitchen, I'll be about this, Some oats, guys. Some peanut, guys. I'm gonna rinse off my peanut. Yeah, guys, so rinse off my peanut then. I'm gonna put a little bit more oats, guys. Guys, other day, I tell us that the last video mean that not true. I'm supposed to get an apartment, but come true. You understand all this? So I just go and work with me there until better come. I don't know a thing set up, guys. I'll be a badness. I don't know a thing going in the kitchen, so. And the kitchen kind of small for me. You understand all this? So I try to get a bigger place, guys. So really come true, but don't watch nothing. So yeah, guys. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna put a mackeson. Guys, be a badness in our kitchen, guys. Be a badness. Mackeson, guys. Also, I'm gonna put a magnum. Yeah. Some bad Jamaican punch, guys. I'm gonna put some almond essence. I'm gonna put some vanilla. Yeah guys, also I'm gonna put some mixed spice. I have some ground cinnamon. And I have some nutmeg, ground nutmeg. Yeah guys, also I'm gonna put a next mackeson, 2 mackeson I use. Also guys, I have a Nestle supligen. Guys, be a badness in our kitchen. Watch what going on in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna pour some supligen now guys. guys, I'm gonna give this a blend and make you see what I'm going in the kitchen. Watch what I'm going, guys. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna start to blend now guys. You can see what I'm going in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so let me see what I'm going in the blend over here. So. Guys, I'm gonna blend him a little more. You understand what I did? Yeah. Guys, flash up. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna pour out it and I'm gonna see what going in the kitchen. The blender full. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna pour them out of the blender now. So I'm going over here so and sweeten it in a jug because the blender full. You understand how it be a badness guys. Yeah guys, so you see the badness in the kitchen, not you? Be a badness in the kitchen. Be a badness guys. So guys, I'm gonna sweeten it up and I can see what I want. You understand how it be a badness, yo. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna bust my milk now. Pour in the milk. Guys, that spoon is short. Guys, that's what going in the jug. Be a badness. You see that? Yeah. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. Bad peanut punch, guys. Guys, now make your seat more closer.